Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Juju hat. Juju hats are Cameroonian headdresses and they are very hot the last few years in the interior design. I wanted to be making this forever, and if I knew it was so easy to make one, I would give it a shot sooner. Enough talking, let's get started. So all you need is a large piece of cardboard, a ruler, scissors, 2 pencils, some thread, 6 yards white strong feathers 7-inch long, a hot glue gun, lots of glue sticks, a white spray paint, and some yarn. First, draw a circle by pinning the one pencil at the cardboard. The radius of the circle is 11 inches. Then cut the circle and draw a straight line from the center to the edge, and then cut that line. That allows you to coat the cardboard and end up with a cone shape. You then just need to glue this in and spray paint it from both sides in a good ventilated area. Now it's time to add the feathers. Take your feather strand and start by gluing the beginning about 2 inches in from the outer edge of the cardboard. Then go on and glue it in place every inch or so, until you reach the end of the first circle. For the second layer, glue the feather strand about 2 inches in from the first row. That way, the second layer camouflages the ribbon of the first layer. So go on until you reach the center, and now all you have to do, guys, is adding feathers by cutting small sections of the feather strand and gluing them down. As you reach the inner center, you want to cut the feathers smaller than the previous row. So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to play in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages. Finally, you want to hang this beautiful art piece. So all I used was some yarn and hot glue. It's so lightweight as a feather, guys, so you won't have a problem with that. Well, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I love how it turned out, and I love how it makes such an impact in my living room. It's by far my favorite DIY. So guys, if you liked it too, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Did you like it? Would you give it a try? Thanks so much, guys, for watching me. Until next time, bye bye.